can keep the visa, you can keep career and everything. Give me 3 and big drum them. And the tabernacle and chant Rastafari. That's what it's all about. So don't mix up my thing with no funny man, yeah? Don't ask me no question about no funny man. Ask me how the teachers them now get paid. Why the police kill off the people? Why the Prime Minister don't want to open up Africa Starline and airport coming here and all those things? The whole world, England, we don't try bow to. I get the riches from Africa, we don't want to go to Africa. We're stumbling and waiting for crumbs. Where did Jamaica get all those things? Jamaica, you're the mothers and fathers for the world. Wake up here, don't talk to no, don't freshen yourself with me. No media, no selector, no. There's some amount of producers. I'm telling you something over the producers. After I sit down and meditate, pretty black people so they suffer. Write me songs. Some amount of producers, when I don't get me song, when I go register, but when I write it, well, me I tell ASCAP, PRS, JCAP, BMI, everyone I know. No man no write for the song them. And me alone write them and I think about black people can not help me. Run them, I see Babylon come. And we have take what the police and the soldier bring them go Africa. When I go, see, this is Jamaica, black women on visa, Jamaica, for me England and New York, Africa, for me Jamaica. I mean, you see, run a New Kingston and for me Florida and Miami down. And California, I don't want no funny man and no lesbian for none of the streets in Jamaica. Bible order, Jamaica, the Bible eye. They come and pirates and call nothing Jamaica people now get. We don't come down and take country. We don't get nothing.
Today I come to talk about none other than Sizzla Kalonji, aka Dada. We also come to talk about the disgraceful insect who call herself Pretti Don. She's a social media influencer. Just turn on her camera every day, so don't get one piece of chair in our backyard or outside our house whatsoever and just talk pure garbage. Pure rubbish come out of that the girl mouth or it mouth or him, I don't know. She just confused to me. So she's a social media influencer, I guess. So as you can see, she got up on a rant last week and I deal with Sizzla Kalonji where cause Sizzla Kalonji just get back in visa and them a burn a fire upon the fishes. So because she's a fish, she take it upon herself and say she a defend the fish. And if anybody knows Sizzla for these past couple of years, Sizzla is a man that outspoken, righteous and well respected. Him always burn a fire. Always burn a fire upon injustice. Zane? And if you ever hear this girl, how she a deal with Kalonji. Jaja. This a girl here, small enough for put piece of dot tape over her mouth. And how she deal with Sizzla Kalonji, it rocks the internet. Shake the place. Because people was in disbelief of how this girl deal with Sizzla Kalonji. And she's a girl, you know, very confused. Or it. That go on social media and cuss out our own people. Meaning our own fish people. Our own other side people. She's a girl that cuss them out like dog. So I don't know if she try to get some clout or she try to get them to send her some money. I don't know why. She thinks that she have the authority to do whatever she want or say whatever she want about people and also cuss out our own fish people. But nobody else don't have that authority to do that. I mean, think about it. This girl sit down on a piece of chair every day and just diss people from left to right. And people actually sit down and watch her. People actually love it. People cheer her on like she do something great. But wait until them catch her at Judgment Yard. She said she got burn down Judgment Yard. Wait until them hold her. God go with it. God go with it. Sizzla is very well respected reggae artist. Legendary. And the last you try that with Dada, you know where that get. The last you, this Dada. So, just for say this, Zane, you see the one that call Pretti Don? Trust me. Somebody I got shut her up indefinitely.
And first, me I come up here with something. Shakira left to come on stage. I will a whole artist. Some boy a bumbo clot rush this. Run with him. Run with him. Me not play no pussy. Run with him. Me a bad man. Run with him.
Play the rhythm now.
Me house with the band. Run with him. No one put bumbo clot me.
When I sit up.
I mean you're Maris man. I'm the boy. Only the bounty killer. Here the Sizzla. Only the bounty killer. Let me see the hand them. Up there. I go. I go! They're trying to be a hero! Bumbo clan! Live and love your life! I go! Sing again! Live and love your life!
Turn it up. Nice. Let's show them me our top. Alright?
Kalanji!
Stop it now, somebody.
We're not disrespect you.
Now,
me allow stage show you.
How are you?
Me allow this.
Come on for the bumbo class thing.
Me allow this. Suck your mama.
Well, not just say. Yo, be over there, sir. Yo, be over there, sir.
Alright, the artist, come on, artist, come. Circle artist, come. Circle artist. Take down with him, artist. Alright, take down with him, artist. Circle the part. Roll it. Come that side, roll it. I profiting. Nice it up, make it nice. Make it nice. Fix up at the place. Everything alright, man. Everything alright. Not now up around here, so. Not now go on. Hey, let's circle now.
Yeah. Rasta thing, you know, nothing going on.
Circle, everything alright.
Hey, man, I'm not here saying no. Hey, you hear me? Hey, me know the whole around me now. Push the wall. Me know the whole around now. So, no know what I do. That me telling you. Yo, Norris man, behave yourself. One to you. Yo, come at you. These are you can keep career them singing. Give me three now, you big drum them. And the Tabernacle, me chant Rastafari. That's what it's all about. So, you don't mix up my thing with the funny man, yeah? Don't ask me no question about the funny man. Ask me how the teachers them now get paid. Why the police kill the people? Why the Prime Minister don't want to open up Africa Starline and airport coming here and all those things? The whole world, England, we don't try to bow to. I get the riches from Africa, we don't want to go to Africa. We're stumbling and waiting for crumbs. Where did Jamaica get all those things? Jamaica, you're the mother and fathers of the world. You wake up here, don't talk to no, don't freshen yourself with me. No medias, no selector, no. There's some producers. I'm telling you something about producers. After I sit down and meditate, pretty black people say them suffer. Write me song. Some producers, when I don't get me song, when I go register, but when I write it, well, me I tell ASCAP, PRS, JCAP, BMI, everyone I know. No man no write for me song them. And me alone write them and I think black people and I help me run them for them so Babylon come. And we have take for the police and the soldier bring them go Africa. When I go to see this in Jamaica, like when I know visa Jamaica, for me England and New York and Africa, for me Jamaica. I mean, you see run a New Kingston and for me Florida and Miami and California. I don't want no money man and no less than none of the streets in Jamaica. Bible order, Jamaica, the Bible order. Them come alcohol, pirates, Caribbean, nothing Jamaica people now get. We don't come down out that country, we don't get nothing. All people, take up the
Sizzla. Can't realize that we don't take this frozen rasta as some kind of rant. Frozen Sizzla, let me tell you something. You see you land where me sit down in, not the one where you sit down in, the lawless land where you sit down in. You are thinking frozen, not to them think you can't do that. You can't send go beat anybody who don't want to send go beat. But you see, in this land here, they take everything from your Sizzla. If you ever hear you and none of you thinking Rasta them even say, them would have lift a fucking strand to me. Me one big liar with none of you can blood. Me just want hear someone I don't want assault me. Yeah, I well want to take one of you to the cleaners. No, me no lose no lawsuit. Every one of my lawsuits I win them. You understand me? So if you don't want me, afraid of blood clot, thinking frozen Sizzla, when you have a next guest coming. Sizzla, you can beat all of your baby mother them, but you never fuck me yet. You understand that? You see all of the beating them where you send out go be already. This is one of them where you can't send go beat nobody. Me take you all of your estate and make them bond up judgment yard. When me take you go, when me saw you see anyone in your rasta them where you feel like you see me and touch me, no way. Only just make sure you don't you know what I mean? Anyone I want to attack, because I'm not afraid of you. As I'm telling you, you are not my dad and my father dead. Me no hide you as nothing. You say burn and kill Sodomite and Batty man go light your stinking head. Batty boy. Me never fuck nowhere for you yet and no Batty man never fuck nowhere for you yet. Come out a Batty man blood clot conversation with your fucking idiot self, you dunce rasta waste man. You. Every day you feel like you can get up a maliciously disgrace. Gays are red. So you feel like the Batty man and Sodomite now have mouth stinking frozen Batty man dread. Waste man rasta boy. You feel like the Batty man and Sodomite now have mouth. You burn we and you shot we and you kill we. And we can't tell you if you go suck out your mama. Who the fuck is you? Father God did put you down here so you be the leader for nobody. Batty man, you can't lead the man them where you follow back of you every day and wash your locks. Waste rasta boy. You not lead nothing for pussy like me. You is nothing to bumbuck like me. You burn me, you light me, you cramp and you paralyze me. That go suck out your mother inside. You hear that pussy hole? You see how you like on it, you open on the mouth and bumbuck like that about other people. Other people can talk about it to frozen rasta with beat, girl. You beat your baby mother till you broke her blood clot and you say black woman and child.